Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. We're doing a little bit better around here in our parts, and I feel like cooking this morning. It is Saturday, and happy Saturday to you. We're going to make a sour cream blueberry coffee cake today. So join me as I put my apron on, and let's get to cooking. Okay, y'all, so here are the ingredients we'll be using in our coffee cake. This coffee cake comes in two parts: the coffee cake batter and a topping, a streusel topping. So for the coffee cake, we'll use 1 2/3 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 eggs, a half a cup of sour cream, a 1/4 cup half and half or evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, the juice of 1 lemon, the peel of 1 lemon, and 1 1/2 cups of blueberries. In this bowl, I have the topping makings for the streusel topping: 1/3 cup of rolled oats, 1/3 of a cup of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, wrong, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to bake everything in my springform pan. Okay, so I'm going to make the topping first so that it can be ready to go when the batter is ready. And in my bowl, I have those ingredients, but I'm going to use my pastry cutter so that I can cut that butter in. Now I'm going to cut this butter in just like I would a pastry. We'll get this cut in, and we're going to make that topping. Once I get the butter cut up just a little bit with my pastry cutter, I'll go in with my hands. Our streusel topping is ready. Okay, y'all, so our streusel topping is ready. I'm gonna set that aside, and I'm gonna go to my bowl where I'm going to mix the batter. So in my bowl, I have my butter. I'm going to add my sugar. And I'm going to beat this nicely. Remember that you probably remember the way I make my cakes. I always soften my butter and let it sit out to get to room temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this butter and sugar. Okay, so our butter and sugar are creamed well enough. Now it's time to add the eggs. I'm going to add my vanilla, and I'm using a vanilla paste. I'm also going to find my lemon juicer and squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into my batter as well. And you see I've taken the rind off the lemon because I needed that peel. Okay, and let's mix this just a little bit. Now you can't overbeat a cake at this stage, but when you get that flour in, you can, and you can make a tough cake, and we don't want that. So, I've mixed in those ingredients. Let's get the flour. Okay, so we're going to get our flour, and we're going to sift it in the container like I've showed you in videos past. And we'll put our flour in. Got to do 2/3 of a cup, I'm sorry. Now we're going to go ahead and add our other ingredients. Our salt, our baking powder, and our lemon peel. Along with the 1/2 cup of sour cream. And 1/4 cup of 1/2 and 1/2, or I'm using evaporated milk because, hey, I'm old school and that's what I do. Let's get to mixing. See, it's all ready together. I'm going to scrape my bowl down. Let's get her out of the way. And we're going to fold in our blueberries. Okay. I'm gonna change you out and get my pan in here so I can spray that down. I'm gonna spray that with some Pam. And get my batter poured in. Okay, let's go ahead and get this smoothed in. and add our streusel topping. Okay, and we're going to get it in the oven. We're going to bake this coffee cake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. So, in the meanwhile, I'm going to have Peepaw make some coffee, because you know we can't have coffee cake without a little bit of coffee. So, we're going to make our coffee, we're going to bake our cake, and I'll be back to taste it for you. Okay. Ooh, she's ready. All right, y'all. There she is. Look at my blueberries. All right, we're going to give her a cut. Don't she look good? Let me turn her up so you can see her standing upright. Okay. Let's get our coffee. And let's go taste it. Okay, folks, let's go ahead and taste our coffee cake, because you know I had to get my coffee first. That's good. The blueberries just give it just a little bit of a bite, but the cake is nice and soft, and it's moist, and it's warm, and it's just what you want on a Saturday morning. So me and Peepaw are gonna go have our coffee time and have a little coffee cake with it. Y'all make this recipe. You'll be glad you did. And y'all have a good day. Be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Be blessed. Bye.